Hi everyone, welcome to the Yard Necklaces channel. I'm Janelle, and all week I've been preparing for my craft show coming up this weekend. I always make a few new jewelry items every year just so when people come by, and they came by last year, they can see some new items. I usually do about 6 to 7 craft shows throughout the whole season, but this is my only one that I'm doing this year. So I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself just to have this one be the best one. So I came up with 5 new items that I want to show you guys. And also, if you're interested in seeing my whole craft display, I'm going to do another video on that. So make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on that one. So let's go ahead and get into it. My first item is layered necklace chains. And these are all stainless steel chains. These are gold-plated stainless steel, and these are just the regular stainless steel. And with these are actually 3 separate necklaces, and then I just put them all together as a set. I always like to do my layered necklaces with like one chain that's kind of like a decorative chain, and then the other 2 a little more simple with a little charm or pendant on it. And that's kind of how I did this one, where I have like the decorative chain up on top and then like a regular chain. This one does have little gold beads like along the chain part here. So it has a little decoration on it, but it's still a simple chain. And then I put a little charm on it and a pendant. This is it's sparkly. It's like a blue goldstone pendant, like in a shape of a triangle. But easier to see if I do that. And then like this one, I did like this heart chain here with a little gemstone pendant here and just a long bar pendant here. And then this one, I put the decorative chain in the middle like this. This one is just the stainless steel. Got some hearts, a little butterfly charm, and a little charm pendant down here. And so I'm going to display them in these little boxes on the table, and then I'm also going to be hanging them up on a little stand I have where I can just hang it. And so this is the way I was going to hang it. This is another one I have with just the hearts, and this is like a cute little heart chain. So if you saw my video of the unboxing with beads.us, you'll probably recognize some of this stuff because I used a lot of the chain and a lot of the pendants I bought for that. And I'll put a link in the description below if you haven't seen that video yet. My next product is this aluminum wire swirly wire wrapped necklace. And these are just like little swirly links that I connected together. And I do have a video on how to make this. And if you're not familiar with wire wrapping, it's actually really easy to make. Like, this is a very beginner project, but it turns out so beautiful. I just love this necklace. And last year I hadn't even made these yet, so it's only been about a year since I've done like wire wrapping stuff. So I'm still pretty much a beginner on that, and I still was able to make this beautiful necklace. And it's actually really lightweight too, because that aluminum wire is nice and light, and it's tarnish free too. And since face masks are now like the new thing that everybody has to wear, I figured I would put together some face mask lanyards. I did the crochet ones like this, and then I just put them in a little baggie. I made out this little card and punched holes in it right here so I can clip the things here, and then just did a little clip art of a mask, and then put this for carrying your face mask around your neck, so that way people know what it is, and face mask lanyard. And those are the crochet ones. I do have a video on how to make that, and I'll link that below. And I also have a video on how to make these. These are just like the stainless steel chains. Same chains I used to make those layered necklaces, I used to make these face mask lanyards. And they just look like this. And I made them about 25 inches long, which is a good size for an adult. It's maybe a little bit long for a kid, but I might end up making kids ones. It depends how much time I have. So yeah, I just did like the heart one. I did a little one with the stars on it. And these are gold ones with the hearts, and these are just other hearts. And the next new item I have is actually a modification of a ring I made. And this is an aluminum wire wrapped ring. And I do have a tutorial on how to make this one with multiple beads. But as I was making them, I was thinking maybe it'd be fun just to put one bead in the middle and then just do the wire wrapped along the sides. And I think it turned out really cute. So it's also adjustable like the other ones. And so you can wear it on pretty much any finger. You can pull it out a little bit and wear it on that finger. Or you can push it in like this and then wear it on your pinky. So I made these in all different colors. This is a crystal one, but most of them are like these little round gemstones. And I used a 6mm gemstone. This one is probably a little bit bigger than 6. I think it's like a 6x8, but a 6 fits really nice in there. These are actually 4mm if you're going to do this style. So I'll put a link in the description below on how to make this one too. And it's pretty simple. If you know how to make this one is pretty self-explanatory. And last but not least, I made these cute little charm necklaces. Now, this was such an easy project to make, but I just tried to make it more fun and interesting and giftable by putting a little cat advice on there, or starfish advice. So I found these online, just like little things that people had made, kind of like wall art type stuff, and just put that on the card so that way people can read this and be like, oh yeah, that's so cute. So like with this one, it has cat advice. It says, be frisky, enjoy the nightlife, always land on your feet, stretch often, and create your perfect day. So I did about, I think, 24 different charm animals, because I just have a lot of these charms that I use for bracelets and different things. So I just thought that would be fun. And I got the idea from looking at these, I don't know if you guys have seen them, they're like wish bracelets, and they have a little, just a charm, like just a bracelet with a cord and then the charm, and then something about like once your bracelet falls off, your wish comes true or whatever. And I was like, how can I incorporate that with a charm necklace? So that's what I came up with. And I think they're really cute. I'm hoping they sell really well because they were, you know, easy to make. I just put the little bail on here and then put it on the chain. And then I just printed out in different colors, like the different charms and everything. And I'm actually going to display them in these little gift boxes that I just kind of folded the flaps down like this. So that way I can just like put all the same charm in there. And then I'll have like 24 all set up together. And I made a cute little sign for it too. So I'll show you that when I do the video on my display. So I hope you enjoyed looking at the new items I came up for my craft fair. And let me know in the comments below which one you like the best. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.